Hi guys, my name is Sean from Concept Chemicals and welcome to another Ask the Professor. Today's Ask the Professor it's actually giving you a little bit of background about Concept Chemicals, because not only do we have 4 brands under the umbrella, Concept, Zirconite, Surface and Expert 60, but we also manufacture goods or products for private label customers or white label. So we recently had a request in from an overseas customer, and they're requesting some products for private label, and one of their requests is a snow foam coloured blue. So I've obviously got this from the chemist this morning. So when we actually manufacture products of this nature, that's products which contain colorants. One of the tests that we actually do is we test them on all the substrates that the product's actually going to come into contact with. So that's as good as anything. When we talk about putting products of this nature onto different substrates, we're obviously checking for staining. So now let's put it on the car just to see what effect it has on the car. So guys, that is a customer request for a blue snow foam. I actually quite like the colour myself. I think it's quite nice, it's quite vibrant. As you are all aware, from a snow foam perspective, we're looking at the contact time on the surface. We're looking for this braking effect, and once that starts to happen, it's then time to actually neutralise and rinse the car off. So let's do it. So there you've got it, coloured snow foam, a request by a potential private label customer. As you can see, the application method, the dwell time, the contact time, the actual breaking of the product, and then obviously the rinsing off. Now, before we actually send this particular product off for its final test overseas, we're going to carry out another few more tests. One is obviously allowing the product to dry out on the substrates that it comes into contact, pressure washing them down 24 hours later just to make sure that there's no staining. But ultimately, this is what we're about. Branded products, private label products, and a choice of 4 brands. So if you like it, hit the like button. If you've got any comments, put them in the comment section below. But failing that, I'll see you very, very soon for another Ask the Professor.